Hello everyone, Josh Ryan, local rail fan here from CSX and Norfolk Southern and the BNSF Railways. So, we got a train coming here today, here eastbound 6 miles away from the Gore near Clarksburg, West Virginia to the J Tower, then through in the MD Tower, and finally the Ammo Tower. So can you guess what it is, what this train symbol is? It might be QV16 Eastbound Mixed Freight Train or b816-14 eastbound loaded coal train with helpers. But I'm not sure what it is though. So stay tuned after this. Might be a Q316-14 mixed freight train, or B816-14 or 1514 coal train with helpers, or anti-coal train. So, alright, so stay tuned after this. So, live action. Start the video, son. It is 5:44 p.m. this evening. We got the CSX Q316-14 or B815-14 eastbound loaded coal train of helpers or mixed freight train, or even B816-14 eastbound empty coal train. So we'll find out, reveal this train, and we're going to find out when we get closer to the MD Tower. So today is a special holiday, Valentine's Day rail fan weekend here, to celebrate our love to my friends and local employees of the CSX, which means happy Valentine's Day to all of us, for the local support of our railroad company. So stay tuned. Live action. Here we go. When I'm countdown to fives, then we'll tell him, the engineer said, we yelled, shout out to Happy Valentine's Day, buddy. So, here we go. Alright, let's get this over with. Oh boy! Oh boy! Get ready! I don't know feeling about this. 3 seconds. There he is. Get ready. Oh my goodness! It is a B816-14. I think you got it right. I think this is quite better. All right, here we go. Ready? Ready! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 888! Triple H right there! Wow! Man! Not gonna want to take off! Woo! Engineer said, Happy Valentine's Day, Josh Ryan, local rail band. Whatever! Man, that was brutal, everyone! Damn, that was brutal, everyone! What's the difference? That train CSX train symbol is b816-14, eastbound empty coal train, on this perfect Valentine's Day railfan weekend. Headed on the way to the Grafton Yard right now. Woo, that was awesome! That was a perfect for Valentine's Day railfan train action I have ever seen. So, there you go, folks. There you have it there, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, give a thumbs up, please subscribe, comments down below. If you don't have it, goal to reach up to 70 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to get notifications so I can do train videos. So, thanks for watching. Out.